Patuyo ka po nun. Landi ng alien.
Start na da. Mau ta. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Okay, here you go.
Hello!
Jingle bells pa to. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. My Pasko.
Hello guys! So, nanasad me. So today we'll be doing another unboxing. And one natin i-unbox today. So, this will be supposedly my gift, Christmas gift for him. Pero mag-advance na sabta kay base na niya og natin mga daghang mga reklamo or unsa ba after our unboxing. So at least maybe there's still 7 days return policy. So di na ta ni paadto og Pasko no. Mag-advance na ta. So, okay. So this one supposedly surprise na ko siya ani. And then it was delivered today. I ordered this during Shopee 11/11. So naka-less ko ani and last minute ko nga nag-order. And yes, naka-order ko naka-less and then supposedly surprise jud, but today
Na-surprise ko ganiya 2000 na po.
so once I think pag-deliver ni sa Ninja Van earlier. So akong kasyo kaigo.
Igo na abot ko.
I asked him to buy some food in the market, and then Ninja Van arrived earlier and I don't have enough cash to pay for it because I gave him the money. So, good timing. Naabot siya.
Is it a good timing or bad timing?
Good timing nga naabot ka. Bad timing kay nasakpan ni mo akong gift. So, I have to ask him some money so I can pay for it. So, yeah. He was the one who checked the price. It's no longer a surprise, guys. So, today we'll just do the unboxing. It's my gift. So, let's see. And you will have your new toy. So, the name of the store, DJI. Yeah, this is from DJI store. And
Ladaganag to receive.
DJI Philippines, and thank you for sending me my order. So we'll do the unboxing. Let's start.
Okay. Anak ko. Prepared na ko sa season.
So kani gi-order ni November 11 June. So today it's November 23. I thought maabot pa siya November 25. So good thing early. O siya, dapat siya dyan i-open na din at abton og Pasko ka na sila 7 days return. So we will have to check the item.
Murag kibaw na sad kung sa sudan ni kay sa presyo palandaan. Bao na.
O gani, di da ka dapat makita sa price.
Remember mo sa last na vlog. Remember mo, so na kong request. I thought joke lang ba. Oh. Hindi ko joke. Tada!
I got him.
Wait.
His
Toy.
his wish list for Christmas. Dapat basa na Tello? Tello?
Tello or Tello?
Tello.
But
Tello. Tello. Sa man dyan.
DJI Tello or Tello?
Tello.
Word DJI, kibaon mo unsay mga naadiha.
Yes.
Yes, so it's all about gadgets, right? So this one,
This will be so helpful and useful kay we love traveling and we also do vlogging, so
mhm.
yeah.
Tada! Drone! Tello drone. DJI Tello or Tello drone. Basta na basta. Feel the fun. Okay? So, let's open it.
Sound effects natin.
Oh, itlog na siguro. Wow!
Gamay siya siya sa.
Ang gamay ra na siya.
So we'll see what's inside.
What's inside? Itlog! Oop! Oop! Wow! My new toy! Ta-da! Wow!
Like it?
Ano yung nakapamahal? Yes, I like it so much.
So more na yung battery.
So, hey guys, so muna siya ang DJI. So this is the DJI Tello drone. So one battery actually. So I think it lasts 13 minutes. Yes.
13 minutes.
13 minutes.
Flight
Yeah,
time.
max flight time. So, yep. Very small and deep. Siya. Look, it's like a toy lang jud siya, di ba?
So ang original price is 6K.
Yeah, 6,000 and she got
For Shopee 1111 for 49.
4,900. Right? Yeah, 4,900. So, ako kay discount, no?
Yep.
1,000 pin. So, and then ang uban kay kuan na siya kuning 6,500. Actually mo na siya pinaka barato na jud nga
Nice
drone.
quality.
Yes, and nice quality because it has 720 megapixels. Megapixels unsa na ay MP? Apira na P pixels mo siguro na. Basta 720p, di ba? Yung full HD like HD na siya.
Resolution,
Yeah,
yeah.
resolution niya and then and then di ba na full HD kay mga sa
Ano problema man to nga naman di ay unta diri manual.
So ihansak ra din siya dere. Tara. So gaano to guys siya. Ano siya. So muna siya yung camera. And then so I think so, yeah, cellphone ra imong gamiton ani as a controller.
Okay.
So you need to download. So I'm gonna make some other vlog for this one. Okay,
For the testing.
Yeah, for the testing, blah blah
Today,
blah. So
unboxing
maybe
na sa
we're gonna do the testing upstairs. Yeah, because now it's nighttime already,
Yeah.
and this one they said that it has some detection, blah blah blah. It can detect, but it's really good kung outdoors siya. But indoors siya, it's okay, pero more siya ma-outbalance because bitaw kay naka-concept ko sa other vlogs nga if indoors and then dili kay klaro ang imong mga lightings. So more siya ma-outbalance siya kay tungod sa iyang mga detection curve sala na siya. So we'll do another vlog for this one. So tagang nindot ba ano yun? Christmas gift. Thank you.
Welcome.
So guys, na siya guard diri. Sorry guys, nakalimot mo ko sa mga pangalan na niya. Pero I've been searching for this one and I've been looking for some vlogs for this one. But so far this is really the cheapest one. It's like ang resolution really good.
Yep.
Ambulance. So it's DJI Tello drone or Tello drone. So yeah, thank you so much, seller. It's because
DJI Philippines.
naka-wrap
Well-packed
siya o well-packed
cage.
siya.
Package.
And then
And-
naka-egg tray.
And complete.
Complete.
Walay defect, walay cracks, or
Mhm.
whatever. Thank you sa nag-deliver in
Yes.
Japan, as always.
Extra
Extra.
balabad. Ang sa tawag na
Balabad.
pilad.
Bisaya palaban.
And then we have here, yes, charger.
Cord.
And of course, permintin, nakapamahal. Actually, mga 900 kung siguro na, kaya siguro 4,000 kasi ni. Yeah. So, thank you so
Kidding.
much. Yes.
So more to guys. I'm unboxing today, so I got him an early Christmas gift. Kasi yung masaling ihang gift na ako. So nami ka excited sa Pasko, okay? Kamu excited ba sa mo? Comment down below.
Yes. So,
Yes. So that's it for today, guys.
Thank you
for
so much,
watching.
and yes, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, okay?
Yes, and also notification bell if you want to be notified with our upcoming videos. So, yeah. So maybe next videos, mas-starring na niya atong drone. Of course, we will be using this for our travels and our rides, chill rides and everything. Yeah.
That's all for today. So thank you so much, and welcome back to what? And thank you for watching. Another
Okay na nga tong intro no, pero wala na.
ending na po, yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Yes, it's
Pat and
Honey.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.